If you grow a significant amount of greens, you need to have a greens bubbler. It makes washing mass quantities of greens a breeze. So this bubbler has a couple key components that I think you want to know about. One is it's super quiet. My DIY bubbler was extremely loud. Even when I had the air blower that was rated as quiet, it was significantly louder than this bubbler here. And when you're washing pounds and pounds and pounds of greens before market, the quietness of the bubbler truly does make a difference. Next is the way that the air moves through the water and circulates the green. So what makes this greens bubbler system really special is the recirculation feature of the water. So in a lot of those DIY systems, you have a squared off PVC section and it's pushing air up and it recirculates in a very specific location inside the tank. Now, because of how this manifold is set up, it pushes the air up and out and it creates this pillowing effect, and it pushes the greens from the interior to the exterior, pushes them under the water and recycles them. So the hydrology is really awesome in this system and allows you to go and do other things around your wash pack area, spinning greens, bagging greens, washing roots, and not having to worry about pushing any of the greens out of the dead zones and into that recirculating water. The quietness of the blower, the way that the greens are circulated through the water, and lastly, the ease at which you can clean this manifold make this greens bubbler superior to any greens washing system out there.